New Instagram feed format, how to do it. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video showing you the new Instagram format. Instagram just launched an ultra-wide video format, which many are calling cinematic. I'll show you what's changed, the dimensions, and how to start using this feature. Until now, we had square or vertical feeds and reels in the 9:16 format. The new format is super wide, banner style like a movie screen. Instagram wants to give creators more options to grab attention in the feed. Leo, what's the size of this new format? Here it is. I'll show you on screen. The width is 5,120 pixels and the height is 1,080 pixels. Leo, is there an easier way to edit this video? Yes, there is, folks. I'll leave the exact format in the description link as a template for your post. How will it work? You'll download the image to your phone by clicking the link. After downloading, folks, open your video editing app. I'll use CapCut here. Open CapCut, click New Project, then Photos, and select the template image. It'll serve as a guide. Click Add below and tap the plus sign. Now choose Video at the top and select your video for this new format. Click Add. Down here, tap the video to stretch it. Adjust it to fit the format. Make sure it fits. After editing, just click Export at the top. Save it to your phone. Once saved, click Done at the top. Now open Instagram to make your post. Tap the plus sign and select Reel. It'll be a new reel. Choose the video you've made. Here you can edit. Add text, music, it's up to you. Edit cover, add music, whatever you like. Tag people, then just tap share at the bottom. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.